Spelling, week 34. Practicing the suffix ly. Number 1, slowly. Slowly. Cars move slowly in a traffic jam. Slowly. Number 2, mainly. Mainly. Often we walk, but mainly we run during PE. Mainly we run during PE. Number 2, mainly. Number 3, badly. Badly. I badly need a new pair of sneakers. Badly. Badly. Yes, good. Number 4, hourly. Hourly. Listen to the sentence. The clock chimes hourly. Every hour. Number 4, hourly. Clock. Number 5, suddenly. Suddenly. Rain fell suddenly without warning. Suddenly. Number 6, lately. Lately. Our team has been winning a lot lately. Go team. Lately. Our team has been winning a lot lately. Lately. Shh. Number 7, partly. Number 7, partly. The partly open door let in some fresh air. The partly opened door let in some fresh air. Partly. Number 8, closely. Closely. We listened closely to his speech. Closely. We listened closely to his speech. Number 9, really. Really. Will I be a little late or really late? Really. Number 10, lastly. Lastly. We ate stew and lastly had dessert. Lastly. Number 11, plainly. Plainly. I could plainly see the boat coming towards the shore. Plainly. Number 12, loudly. 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 Cows moo loudly at milking time. Cows moo loudly at milking time. Number 13, shortly. Shortly. Mom will help us shortly. Shortly, Mom will help us. Shortly. Which means in just a little bit of time. Shortly. Number 14, monthly. Monthly. Many people are paid monthly. Monthly. Good. Number 15, softly. Softly. I talk softly so the baby can see. Softly. Okay, 16 through 23 are both review and challenge words. There's no sentence. I'll just be saying the word 3 times. So listen carefully. Number 16, cleanly. 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 Number 17, gladly. 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 Number 18, neatly. Neatly. Please write the word neatly. 19, timely. Timely. Number 20, carelessly. 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 Don't write your spelling word carelessly. Write it carefully. 20 is carelessly. 21 is carefully. Carefully. Write your spelling word carefully. Really look at the base word. Carefully. 23. Keenly. Bless you. Keenly. Keenly is a way to say very. I am keenly looking forward to the end of the year and summer vacation. Keenly. That was 22. Keenly is 22. And thanks for being silent. 23. Unfriendly. 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 Unfriendly.